Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on Tinder notifications on your phone. So let's start. First of all, open Tinder and go to your profile. On the top of your screen you will find the settings option. Tap on it. Then scroll down below till you find app settings. Here you will find the push notifications options. Tap on it. Now you can see the notifications that are activated on your phone. Since all the notifications are turned on, I'll get the notification from Tinder on new matches, messages, message likes, super likes, and so on. Now if you want to disable any of these notifications, then simply tap on the slider icon on the right side. Let's say I don't want a notification for new matches, then I'll simply tap on here. Then it will lead to a screen like this. At this stage, disable the show notifications option. Now when you do this, the Tinder app will no longer send notifications on new matches. You can follow the same procedure with other options to disable the notifications. Now if you want to enable the notifications, then simply enable the slider. Then it will take you to a similar screen as before. Then enable show notifications. Now you will get notifications for new matches. Hence, in this way, you can enable or disable push notifications on Tinder. Thank you for watching the video and make sure to subscribe.